Application development refers to the process of creating software applications that run on a variety of platforms such as mobile devices, desktop computers, and web browsers. The goal of application development is to create software that can perform specific functions for users, whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or a communication app. Application development has become a vital part of our daily lives, and it is hard to imagine our world without these software programs. We will explore what application development is, the current state of the industry, and the future of application development. Part 1. What is application development? Application development is a process that involves designing, coding, testing, and deploying software applications. This process typically involves several stages, including requirements gathering. This involves understanding the client's needs and determining what the software application should do. Design. This stage involves designing the software application's user interface, functionality, and architecture. Development. This is the stage where developers write the code that makes up the software application. Testing. This stage involves testing the software application to ensure that it works as intended and to identify any bugs or issues. Deployment. Once the software application is tested and deemed stable, it is deployed to the end users. Application development can be done for a variety of platforms, including mobile devices, desktop computers, and web browsers. There are also several programming languages that developers can use to create software applications, including Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. Part 2. The current state of the application development industry. The application development industry has grown significantly in recent years, driven by the rise of mobile devices and the increasing importance of software applications in our daily lives. According to a report by Statista, the global mobile app market is expected to reach $581.9 billion by 2023. This growth is due to several factors, including the increasing use of mobile devices. As mobile devices become more ubiquitous, software applications have become an essential part of our daily lives. From communication apps like WhatsApp to productivity tools like Microsoft Office, mobile apps are used for a variety of purposes. The rise of cloud computing. Cloud computing has made it easier for developers to create and deploy software applications quickly and efficiently. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud have made it possible for developers to build and deploy software applications without having to worry about infrastructure management. The popularity of open source software. Many developers now use open source software libraries and frameworks to build software applications. This has made it easier for developers to create complex applications quickly and has helped to reduce development costs. The increasing importance of user experience. As competition in the application development industry has increased, developers have focused more on creating software applications that provide a great user experience. This has led to the rise of design-focused development methodologies like Agile and DevOps. The growth of the Internet of Things. As more devices become connected to the Internet, the demand for software applications that can interact with these devices has grown. This has led to the rise of new application development frameworks and platforms that are designed specifically for IoT devices. Part 3. The future of application development. The application development industry is constantly evolving, and there are several trends that are likely to shape the industry in the coming years. These trends include the increasing use of artificial intelligence. AI is already being used in many software applications, and this trend is likely to continue in the coming years. AI can be used to automate tasks, provide personalized experiences for users, and improve the accuracy of software applications. The growth of low-code and no-code development platforms. Low-code and no-code development platforms allow developers to create software applications without having to write as much code. These platforms also make it easier for non-technical users to create basic software applications. This trend is likely to continue as more businesses and organizations look for ways to create software applications quickly and efficiently. The rise of cross-platform development. Cross-platform development allows developers to create software applications that can run on multiple platforms with minimal changes. This trend is likely to continue as the demand for software applications that can run on a variety of devices and platforms increases. The increasing importance of security. As software applications become more critical to our daily lives, the need for secure applications has become more important. Developers will need to prioritize security in their application development processes and use techniques like encryption and secure coding practices to protect user data. The growth of niche applications. As the application development industry becomes more crowded, developers are likely to focus more on niche applications that serve specific industries or user groups. These applications may be less profitable than more mainstream applications, but they can still be successful if they meet the needs of their target audience. The importance of accessibility. As the population ages and more people have disabilities, the importance of creating software applications that are accessible to all users will become more important. Developers will need to prioritize accessibility in their application development processes to ensure that all users can use their software applications. The increasing importance of data privacy. As more data is collected and processed by software applications, the need for data privacy will become more important. Developers will need to ensure that their software applications are compliant with data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA and take steps to protect user data from unauthorized access. In conclusion, application development is a vital part of our daily lives, and the industry is likely to continue to grow and evolve in the coming years. The increasing use of artificial intelligence, low-code and no-code development platforms, and cross-platform development are likely to shape the industry in the future. Developers will also need to prioritize security, accessibility, and data privacy in their application development processes to ensure that their software applications are successful and meet the needs of their users.